Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm going to show you what is and how to make a navigation map. Well, this is a tool of empathy and understanding, and of course it's very important to remember that this video is also available in Spanish. Okay, it got the following characteristics. The navigation maps serve to represent the architecture of the pages of a website, like a concept maps, navigation maps that can be represented graphically. Basically, it is a graph or a diagram in three modes that represent the overall structure or the architecture of a system. It is the first step to distribute, organize, and prioritize the content that will be seen on the screen of a product or a digital service. This tool is useful for any digital development. It describes all these functions, options, and is used with any agile methodology that is developing a digital product or service. Okay, so I believe that is very important to keep in mind that this navigation map is extremely important if you are going to develop any kind of digital product or service, not just for website but also for applications or any kind of situation that need a digital distribution. So like I was telling you at the beginning of the introduction of the video, there are three sections that are the most important ones for develop this navigation part. So the name is related with the brand. The second one is like the main buttons of the application or the website or the digital development, and of course the action that you can do in each one of these buttons. But of course, for me, it's very important to keep in mind that always I'm gonna give you an example with with the run of the channel, which is the most important thing because it means that all the visual identity is lined up with all the different resources and all the brand identity of the product or service. So that is very important. So for example, is extremely important, and the first thing that you do is that if you got a login, that perhaps is the first thing that you will see in your main development. And what you can do in the login, you can sign up, you can put your name, and of course you can find information about the product or the service. Something that is extremely important is that if you are very descriptive with all the components that you can find, that is very good. That is very, very, very good. The About Us could be the second bottom, and always have the history, the mission, the view of the company, or the thing that you are finding. So people sometimes want to know a little bit more about that. And if you can find references here, it will be very good. The service. The service, and of course in the service you could have like all the different things that you are selling and what you can do and you can find, and if you have videos and all the different components that are part of what you are doing. So that is very important. The contact, very, very important. If you have a channel on YouTube, if you have an Instagram account, a LinkedIn account, an email, or if you have perhaps an office, you can put here all the different ways. If you have a telephone number, that also will be very good because it will allow you to show that you are some organization that is responsible about their customers. And prospective. Prospective is something that not all the apps or not all the different components have, but is like what you want to do. If you want to start working on different countries, if you have sorry, different languages, what are your plans for the future? What is the idea that you have with this company, with this development? So it's very, very important. So this is a basic navigation map. There are some that have too many components, and that's good because this is something simple, but you get the main idea. Always you could have more buttons, of course you can have more actions, but everything starts for the brand and the things that you are showing. As a conclusion, we can say that the level of complexity of the map increase or decrease depending of the number of functions that the product or digital service have. Success in using this tool is sorry, in specify all the components that have digital development and understand what each of these components do. So that's something very important because, like I was telling you, if you are more clear and you show more, your customer or the person that is interacting with your development will understand everything way better. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel, Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media. And remember that we already have our Udemy courses available. You can check it out here in the description of this video. Remember that every Monday we have a new video in Spanish and every Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you so much and we'll see you next time.